people, we are at Mayfair Hotel. Oh, bad names. Anyway, and today is my photo shoot with my beautiful red hair goddess, mermaid look. Yes, darling, yes. And my mommy is here with me. Say hi, mommy. Hi. Anyway, and today I'll be showing you who I'll be working with. So, guys, hold on a second, please. Okay, guys. So I don't know if you guys are in a good mood, but I wanted to show you guys. This is beautiful. I can get a chance to show you guys exactly as I'm walking around and don't want to walk around because I'm not very familiar with this place. Yeah, but it's a very good view of the venue. So this is the view. It does remind me a bit of like Cardiff, like a bit of an in kind of hotel environment. Very relaxing. Almost like a neighborhood.
Is that hotel now? Hotel places? But it look different from hotel.
Yeah,
Everybody
it
have
has
their
a
own quarters.
neighborhood kind of vibe. So this is what it looks like. It's very beautiful.
It look different too. It look cute. If you want a piece of paper though.
I mean, a bit of a neighborhood. Very pretty. You can see it in the background. So, all dolled up, ready to do my photo shoot. So pretty. Are you ready to see me? Work. Yeah. We stopped to get some jelly. Stop by to get some jelly. And those are our companion on this road trip. Photographer. Manager right there. Too far, we can't get really. So that's the progress so far. We're driving to the beach, and yes, Jamaica is very beautiful. That landscape, man. Okay, I know my hair stand out if you can see me, but look at the view. What am I going in this light? Try get plus. Yeah, this shade is good. The water. So we are here. Now I'm gonna get ready to take my thing off and you get to see me looking out sexy for the photo shoot. So with the photographer, big time producer
Stephen Lawrence Harvey.
Tell them something about yourself.
You gotta check me out online. Too much to tell in a quick vlog. But yeah, from Scotland, lived in America, now I'm traveling the world.
Okay, and he's doing a project. Tell him about the project.
Yeah, I'm doing a project called Give Back Jamaica right now. That's why I'm in town. And yeah, it's gonna be cool. Check it out. It's got Taurus Riley, Kamani Marley, Sizzla, a bunch of other awesome Jamaican artists.
And I saw it was very good, and yes, it's very pretty.
She's
Good feature of Jamaica. Anyway, so that's it. Show them your camera. Prove that you are. What? That one is big.
Here we go.
Very big.
Yeah,
so we're ready?
One. All right, here we go.
No. Not that sexy.
So here's the thing.
I don't know, I should have wanted to go to the thing. Maybe this one hurt my back seat. All right. This one's so hard. So I go burn out the daylight. Go. So I burn me. hear the sound that me can't see what them are doing.
Tap that side down. The right side. The right side of the front in here. Yeah. Pull it down like that. We'll just come a little bit back. Like if you can shine more on her back. Extend your shoulder to me more. Yeah, drop your shoulder. Maybe put your hand on the waist. Yeah. That's cute. That's nice, bro.
Oh, we can't take it.
That looks a little crazy, girl. Try that again.
There you wanna go.
Yeah, maybe like, yeah. I would maybe pull the hair in front of you again. Take some of it in front.
Take no wait.
What? Ask me what happened. Let me show you. Twerk. Yes, I can dance. Don't judge me.
Turn your body to me. No. Turn your body like a bit more. Yeah. Yeah, that's sexy right there. Just sit on that hair. Just pull that hair on the right side a little bit because it's a little bit. Yeah, just take
Puffy.
it. Yeah.
Better?
No, actually, ruffle it up more then.
Oh, you want to puffy?
Yeah.
Better?
Yeah. Pull it out more. Straight. Yeah.
Oh, 3 little flat
Yeah.
the first time.
You gotta puff the hair up, dog. Bad ladies only. Black queens only. Yes, Empress Queen. What? No B words.
Okay, push it out your face. And then this other side, the left side, it's a little crazy. Yeah, there you go. That's nice right there. I like that. I love that. Within the pose? Yeah. Don't squash your face, though. Yeah.
Oh, very fun. That comes back. Oh.
Yeah. Nice. That's nice.
So I'm wearing the Give Back Jamaica shirts for the charity, and the shirt is nice. So I got a freebie. Yeah. So remember to give back, and yes, here with this shirt Helen. This is one reason why I love being a model, getting free stuff. And free stuff, but free stuff is cool because it's a good souvenir to remember that you are part of something. So remember to give back. Love the shirt. Taking a break, and we're eating right now. So it's lunchtime. Yeah, I'm showing you guys. You're like, why is she showing you this? Well, you know, I'm showing you guys everything. And what? When you come to Jamaica, I have to try the fish and I never remember what this name. Bamiar Festival. Anything you want to call it? Festival. Yum.
Ice out there.
Listening to my husband Ed Sheeran laying down on the beach.
Just the corner shop. Pineapple. Yeah. All the niggas are out.
I love you, Ed Sheeran.
What is that? It's very good. We're not even going. I gotta do it.
I like it. Oh, this is my best friend. Yes, pregnant. For you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Number one, you have to come
The Ed Sheeran song don't come on now. This youth here, right? You can do it with a rapping as well. You want it? CD man, you can do some rapping. You can go and bubble with them and do the rapping. You want that? You want them separate? Or you want to use separate? Yeah, let me finish with them first. No problem. And then
So we are finished for the day, and I'm just gonna do a final dip in the water, and then off to go home, take this out of my hair for my fashion show tomorrow, ball fashion show. What? And this was fun. Anyway, so final dip. Deuces, my people. Every day, all day, slay. My final dip.
Nobody jump down in that water again. It's all drop. Don't buy jump down in that water. Can't go down in that water. Give back to Jamaica.